It's about time to deploy the batteries in the boxes. So I have foam like this, which is not even half an inch. So I try to put them in between the two batteries here. Doing so, I can create some space for if they want to do any expansion. It's not going to expand anyway, just a saying. So I have in between so that they can fill up in the box without wobbling, and put some of them on the back right here. So this will protect the terminals from being stretched or being pinched or squeezed all the way. So this guy is gonna go all the way, hit this thing on the back of the box right there or that way. So it's not gonna be any impact. I'll try to put something back on the back here. Maybe one of these guys gonna be like this, covering the back of the terminal. So if you keep want to move, it's not gonna do any disconnection. I can able to even tape this side here or put an insulator here, but I need it for quick disconnect anytime I want to do stuff like this. By doing this, I just get the batteries all tight fit into the box, and doing so, if they're too wide for the box the way they are right now, then I can squeeze this. When this you pinch them or squeeze them together, this foam is acting like a shock absorber. They expand and contract. So if they want to contract, is okay. Expand is okay. So this side is just going to be these are all the wires from the side. So this will be on the side of the box right here. The module is going to be hitting the sides, or I can able to put one of them here. I don't want to create too much stuff in here and create more heat, because it's going to be like a conductor of heat, or induction, whatever you call them, what for insulation. I don't want that to become, I don't want the heat to dissipate. So I can have the opportunity to open this box, and there's some holes on the bottom there. I was gonna flip the battery, sit over there, and flip this box this way. It can be closed upside down. Then I can able to connect my little devices here, where the wire is gonna come from the other stuff, because I was thinking about stacking this box together. Flip this one be on the bottom, take the other upside down, so the batteries gonna be, the wires gonna be coming up here, the conductors gonna be coming up and get into the other box where it's gonna be the control module, where the so a little bit recap. So getting this box, I have two of them. Here is the other one, more than two. But I'm gonna flip this box. All the lockers gonna be on the side. So I'm gonna take this and sandwich it together like this, okay? And I can put a bolt and nut here to secure that. So because of this, it has holes as well here. The only thing, they're going opposite direction. So if I want to do that, I might probably go this way, flip it the other way around, so that they can be, the holes can be parallel to each other here, which one opening is going to be on the side while the other opening on the bottom. So the bottom one will be the battery side, and here will be the top for the devices. So I'm going to just put bolts and nuts right here and tie this box together and sandwich it. Everything's fine. And what is going to come next here, I can have my battery monitor made by Renogy. You get a shunt and all the cool stuff right here. Look at that battery hookup. Battery hookup is following me everywhere. So look at that. So this one is gonna go, the B minus and the P minus, they're all gonna be in this box. See, so I'm gonna have these. I haven't done any review on this. I asked if people want to see how I'm going about installing this, if they want to see a installation for beginners or whatever, pro. So that will be fine. We have a lot of videos online, so I can do this and have the monitor inside if I want to. The shunt inside the box. The shunt is gonna be inside here. The shunt is gonna be inside here, while the holes, all of them, gonna be parallel to this, whatever, I can make it to work and get the holes perpendicular to each other. And I got the monitor, the shunt. It's gonna be inside. The shunt is here. Then I can cut even the monitor. I can able to put on the side here, facing on the thing, or back here, on the back of the box, right here. Back here, I can able to put it here. And I have another device I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get this guy right here, which is gonna be our charging system. So you gotta be USB, and you get a where you're gonna be the 12-volt port to charge, or other devices like a little inverters or whatever that can go with the plug. And here, the USB connector. I can have the USB here. So what came with this is a 5-volt and 2.1 and 5-volt 2.1, so I can change it for USB fast charging, quick charging. Then I have my controls here, and this is the voltmeter, which I have a new one that's gonna the one that's coming. It has a clock on it. I don't know if anyone has ever seen it has a clock on this device. So that's what I'm gonna do, and put the latest model on these guys here. This is the connector. All of them have fuses, and stick it. I'm gonna stick that, install it right on top of the box right here. So I can able to go horizontal like this. Then I can able to use the battery monitor on this side right there. So by doing this, I have both controls. The voltage showing here. Here is the battery monitor. It's gonna be here, and this guy is gonna be here. So this box is gonna be totally empty with a shunt inside. So the shunt is gonna be inside here, and I'm gonna have all the wire connection coming from the bottom, which is at the batteries here, and on top to this here. Then I can able to add more on the sides, the charging port, because I designed this thing to be in a mobile charging system. So you can able to use maybe repeaters or whatever. But the one I'm gonna install, this guy is doing a 12, 24 volt respectively. So all the devices are gonna be here, but I'm gonna wire this battery is already wired in 24 volt configuration. So this battery is gonna work with 12 and 24 controls, because these controls are 12, 24. So I can just program my battery monitor what I want it to for the battery capacity, the battery storage. Then this guy is gonna be in there at the bottom, and I can have the controls all up here, and cut this box with a drum mill or whatever, and or angle saw. Cut this thing and make sure this thing rests perfectly. Or I can able to disconnect just this guy and drill some 6 holes where all these wires gonna go through, but that's gonna waste too much time because all these connectors. So I can just make a measurement like this, use this as a template. Then I can drill, cut, make a measurement. I cut a hole just from very close to this hole, because I want this one to tie to the base, so I can screw it onto this, and I can mark all the way very close to the to this guy right here. This guy here is going to be compromised because of the screw is very close to this. If I cut a hole, and it's going to be a problem, a little bit problem here. So because of this little thing, looks like a flange, so it's really hard. So I just have to cut the hole and reach all the way. Then I can use like a drum mill and set it all the way so I can reach on the side. But this side here is perfect. I have a lot of clearance here, so it's gonna be a lot of clearance. So this is gonna be the top up here. Then I have little stickers that goes with it. They are in here. Then I can able to tell what's is that lighting or whatever voltmeter socket, I can name it, label it. So what do you think about this project? Let me know. But this is the system I'm building here, live from the command center of the JW Solar USA. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more to come right from this channel. The off-grid solar system by JW Solar USA in Minnesota. Okay, it's gonna be a portable build. Then I can able to separate this guy and make it 12 volts and 12 volts. I was gonna do one box, one watt boxes. Then I can use this, gonna be like just like pouches now. I can do this and get another box on top of this where all the controls gonna be. The wires shooting all the way up each battery. So by coming here on the sides, I can put the connectors. Then I can do a jumpers on the side, positive to positive here, negative to negative here, like those terminal connectors, just like this guy here. I have from this guy like those on my portable generator right here. So I can able to do that and just get the wires in the connect out. But I want it to be a clean setup, and I put the terminals here and both positive, negative, so I can just take the jumpers right there, hit this guy here, this guy, hit this guy right here. So when I'm going somewhere, I can able to disconnect the wires and just leave the terminal position there. And the third box gonna be the one with the controls. This guy's here. It has all the controls. So that one will have another wire that comes to tied to the second box where the batteries are, and all the way I can get the one for the heavy gauge wire for the battery that goes to the this guy right here, so that you can see what I'm talking about. It goes to the shunt for this guy right here. But I don't want to waste all these boxes on one project, so I want to make sure that the boxes are really utilized properly, and that would be really nice. But tell me what you think on your next comments on the video, and we can go from there. Live from the command center of the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. So this is the deal, guys. So what do you think about this? And get the batteries, get this box flipped upside down, okay, and take this one old guy and put it on the bottom there. I hope it's gonna work. There you go, it works. So I'm just gonna drop this guy right here and close the thing. Oh, just arc the thing. Ooh. So yeah, keep it this way or put it inside, and I can use double box. Either or. JW Solar USA, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.